Hello, my name is Barbara Wiseman, and I'm 65 years old. And at 30 years old, I was diagnosed with some problems with my uterus and had it out. And so most of my life, I've been on hormone replacement. And I've tried patches, pills, shots, you name it, I tried it. And the best thing that I've ever tried that's helped is the pellet replacement therapy that Dr. Andrew has given me. I do it every 6 months, and it's been a heaven sent. I can tell when I'm about ready to get a new implant is because I'm ready to kill my husband. And I love and adore him, but that 1% of the time that he drives me crazy, I know I need them. So it's been a wonderful, wonderful blessing to my life. Thank you.